everybody. Excuse me, I'm sewing today, but I got this package in that I've been so excited about, and I started opening the box a little bit. I opened it up and then I was like, oh, hold up, let me stop. I want to do an unboxing video just to show you guys some goodies and some things that I am working on. From Roses Quartz Atl LLC. I started opening the box and was like, hold up, I really want to show this unboxing because I've been really excited about this. I've been waiting like by the door. It's only been 2 days because she really was quick with delivery. Like, it got here so quick, guys. And I think it's so cool. She has an online store and a virtual store. I chose the virtual option this time. I've ordered from her before, left her products, and so I ordered this time. And you DM her, you set up an appointment time, you call, and she really has like the store set up, and she goes through it, show you everything, pick it up, like you can really see it, the quality. If you have any questions, like she can inform you on that, tell you what everything is for, what it's about. And then you pick out your items and like she gets right on it and ships it out. Just think it's so cool. It's really personable and it's really cool. Just especially during this time, you know, like can't really go shopping, so it's like kind of like shopping. Get a little fix. So I ordered a lot of stuff because I'm doing a lot right now. Sorry, had to switch angles a little bit, but because I wanted you guys to actually see what I got. So it's just a receipt for my order. And so yes, I'm doing like scrubs and oh my goodness. I'm doing scrubs and like smoke blends right now, and so I needed to re-up on some herbs, and I got some mugwort, some hyssop. These are the ounce size. Some lavender. I got 2 ounces of lavender. Love, love, love. Oh my goodness. Lemongrass, peppermint leaf, more lavender. I love lavender. Marigold, yes. And some Frank and Myrrh Rising. Oh my goodness, yes. Oh, more lavender. Maybe she gave me more, because, yeah, I think so. Okay. Oh yes, I got some necklace holders, some little crystal holders for the necklace. Got 3 of these. Everything was so reasonably priced, like 3, yeah. I'll grab 3. Yes, a mortar. Yes. Because I had started working on some smoke blends, and I was blending it another way, and it was just not coming out how I really wanted it. And the process was a lot. And so, yes. We got this in here. Yes, ma'am. Oh, and it has a little peace sign on it. I love it. It's so cute. I can't wait to show you guys that. What is in here? Hibiscus. Look, I don't even remember what I ordered. I just was like, give me all the herbs, I know it has some crystals. Oh, here we go. Okay. So I have a selenite wand with the moon phases. I cannot wait to add this. So pretty. I'm in love. And everything smells so good. I know she like wipes everything down and like smudges it before sending it out. Oh yes, some tourmaline. I think this is snowflake obsidian. Oh my goodness. Yes. think this is moss agate. Yes. Yes. As some of you know or may not know, I have psoriasis, and so I've been looking into making my own product just for myself and for my skin, and just trying to implement new things. And so that is why so many herbs, because, and just for the inflammation. Oh my goodness, I love it. The little hearts, yes. Hematite. Which sister? I love it. She made this for me. And so you kind of, you tell her what you want, kind of what your idea or whatever, and then she adds a little and make it a little more personal. And I'm loving it. Yes, hematite is supposed to help with grounding and just inflammation in the body, arthritis, and lava rock. She ordered me a lava rock bracelet, and so yes, I cannot wait. I love it. Fits perfectly. I'm so excited. I love it. You guys should really check her out. Roses Quartz Atlanta LLC. I'll have her information down here. But yes, guys, check her out. Please support small businesses. I cannot wait to get all this stuff to use and show you guys what I make with it. Bye-bye.